So look at this wallpaper in the Disneyland Hotel. We've got King John and Pinocchio. And Mickey, who looks like he's sticking the fingers up, let's be honest. Scrooge McDuck. Still in the main reception, there's the chandelier. Just round here, there's a really fun post box where you can post a wee letter between 9 and 2 PM. It's so cool. I really love this colour. If you need to use a telephone or anything, it's in here. There's some internet access and a private telephone booth. Don't know why you wouldn't just stand in your room, but here's some beautiful art depicting that this is the telephone room. It's the second one here. Over here is like a really cool Dumbo thing. I really love this because on the background you can see like our hotel back in the day, all themed, and it's lovely. That's a really bad angle because of the light. I thought it would be a bit better to see it now because it's a bit darker, but no. Here is the door to come out. The parks, just through that window, is Disneyland Parks. We've got, when you're checking out, which is us tomorrow, sad face is just here to check out. Look at how stunning this picture is. Oh my days. That is lovely. You can put your Pluto cards in here. No idea what that is. I'll try and find out what that is. Some more rooms down this side. This is the main reception. This is where we checked in yesterday with the lovely Melissa. They'll set you up with all your details. Over on the other side we've got concierge, and we also have luggage where we're gonna put our bags tomorrow, so you can come here, chill out and watch some cartoons. That's so fun. Just to give you a wee overview. This is just out the front with the fountains, and you'd come in the entrance to the park there. Over here, still on the first floor, is Princess for a Day. You can come, I think it's quite expensive, but it's also boys you can do it. And you can dress up as a princess. Now we met a wee girl today and she was dressed up and she was lovely and she felt just like a proper princess. She was Elsa. Here's an example of one of the dresses. And you could be a pirate, just like Hook. And here's a really long corridor which takes us through the main parts of the hotel. So that's the park there. Don't know if you can see it. We'll try and get another slightly better view up here of the castle. But this is just us walking down. Some more art. That's lovely. Look at these swans. The big grandfather clock. And wow. This is amazing. This is Florida, I believe. There's Space Mountain. Big Thunder Mountain, Phantom Manor. Maybe it's not Florida because that's the fountain with the lake. You go through the hotel and the castle. No, this is here and it's all done with ice. That's really cool, I love that. So just round here is the shop. So you can go in here. There's lots of kids in there, so I probably won't go in there just now, maybe on the way back. But how amazing is this? And you can buy it for 40,000. But if that's too much money for you, over here for 49 euros, you buy a wee mini version. I know Tinkerbell, same. But look, there's Goth Donald and he's black. Why is he all goth? I love it. You can buy a lamp for 149 euros. And there's just lots of really fun ornaments here. Wow, look at this Maleficent and Mickey. That's really cool. Merida! Oh my goodness. This looks like the old Beast but with the new Belle. I'm really confused. That's weird. So, moving along. It's got some lovely displays. There's Tinkerbell. And here's some of the souvenir coin machines you can get. The ones we got last time for 2 euros. And here's some more art. Oh my days. I just love this. Look how creepy Mickey looks though. And there's like an invisible guy here. Who's that? Like the ghost of Mickey? Who is that? Look at that. I'm gonna pretend Chris is here. This is awesome. So the castle just looks stunning. There's like fireworks. We're gonna see the fireworks tonight, hopefully. So just getting along this way towards the beautiful piano music. Here's the castle club, so you can come stay at the castle club. Never stayed here before, but you get like your own private concierge, your own private lifts, and there's like hors d'oeuvres and stuff you can get halfway through the day. But that's where that is. Some really scary looking owls there. I'm just going to ignore them. Sorry guys, hope you're not a fan of owls. But here's the main kind of area for the bar. There's inventions in there, which is all the noise, because that's where all the characters happen. So that's what all that clapping is. We've got the California Grill over here, which is the restaurant. I'll try and show you some of the menu. Sorry, it's so light, but people are having fun. I don't know who it is, it's Tigger, you can see through the window, but you'd probably be a bit creepy to put the camera over there. How cool is this bird cage? That is stunning. Wow. All the way up there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a Pooh Bear balloon who's been stuck. So here's Cafe Fantasia, that's like the bar area. I'm just gonna go over to, so there's inventions. This is the buffet, it's like the character area. And here is the details for that if you fancy coming along. Here's Mickey there. Bye Mickey! Get some juice and your buffet, so €69, drinks not included, but you get to meet all your characters, and that's super fun. So there's wee chap playing the piano, lovely, in the music. That's an actual live piano, that's not just random. That's cool. Bit of a fancy bar. There's these really cool windows, but there's someone sitting at the other one. I just wanted to kind of show you. I don't know if you can see, but it's like bubbles blowing. It's like the elephants and like a cool crocodile. I just really love the detail in it. And over here is a menu, which is too small for me to see, so you won't be able to see it. But a rough idea for a cocktail is about €15. And over here, we've got some Fantasia and the man himself, Walt, looking handsome as ever. And another picture of Walt over here. Amazing. And I'm not sure who this is signed by, but it's a signed like menu. Just in here, it's a bit quieter. It's the bar area, it's got like a cool piano rug. Just a nice place to chill. And look at that in the ceiling, it's so cool. For beautiful artwork. Oh, there's Eeyore. Hi! Have a lovely night. Oh, thank you. You too. And here we have like the tallest man in the world. Wow, I think he's on stilts. That's cool. So that's just the bar area we were just in. There's so much cool artwork in here. So all this kind of artwork that's in here is available in the shop. So it's a bit of the old school Aladdin. I don't know if you've seen the new ones, but oh, there's Minnie. Have a lovely night. Bye. Wow, look at this old school picture. I love that. Looking at everyone's dress, it's quite old. So, my days. Although this looks really scary. I know it's just like an illusion, but that looks like a scary old lady. And over here, Mulan, the main one, she's like the coolest princess, let's be honest. The coolest. And over here, she's not bad, she's just drawn that way. So these are all available in the hotel shop. I forgot to show you the castle while we were past there. But you can kind of see it out these windows. I'm going to try down here. I'm literally the worst at this, sorry. I got really distracted by characters. But out of this window, that there is the castle, which is quite cool. So lots of comfortable seats. Just to chill out, take a load off. It's really calming. It's like the quietest place ever. And also the longest corridor ever. Okay, cool, like right in Destiny, this painting has been my favourite that I saw. How cool is that? These are the sort of things that are in our room as well. But I just love that. I want this in our room, if that's possible. And we've got over here, we've got Cinderella's castle and our wee pumpkin. So we've been in that kind of area before, you might remember. When we went and did a wee vlog in there, it was quieter. So we're just gonna take you over here and down in the lift. No. Beep. Oh, excellent. Look at this for the mirror. How fun's that? Hi, by the way. It's quite hard to see, but I love that. We're going down to floor 1 to the pool, hill club and spa gardens now. Don't know how much I'm going to be able to show, but I'm going to try my best. Let's head out. So how cool are these wee guys for a start? Like the kings of SAS. They're like, come on in, welcome. There's 2 of them. And there's like a really cool Pirates of the Caribbean thing over here. How fun is that? It's like old school, like a real pirate treasure map. It's Spain and Cuba. That's really cool. So, the Health and Spa Club, as I said, I'm going to try and film as much as I can. But we've got the Mad Hatter's game arcade in here. And we've got some Pac-Man hockey board. We've got Go-To Pony. Some sort of cool, weird Japanese Optimus smashing game. Whack-em Funky Gators. Pretty hardcore on hitting things in this place. Wow, those are bloody scary. Down the Clown it's called. But those are terrifying. What the what? Some skee ball, or ice balls they're calling it. Games I'd be terrible at. A wee Mario Kart and some sort of typhoon thing, which looks a lot of fun. So these are all €2. Try and squeeze in. There's that gator that's welcoming us in with the Fantasia Hippo, aka me. So we'll just come out of here. Just tripped over a wire. Just ignore that and pretend I'm cool. This out here is like a nice area you can chill out. There's like a, what do you call it, ping pong table, table tennis table out there. You can go and have a wee lie down if it's nice weather. I'm going to try and show you this bit. Check there's no children in there because that's weird. No kids in here, so there's a little kids area in here. There's like nursery stuff to play in. I believe this is called Minnie's Club. Yep, Minnie's Club. And that's like a private babysitting area. There's like a really cool elephant in there with Mickey on him. How cute is that? And this elephant again, this hippo again, is me. I love her. And again, this is open 2 to 5 and 6 till 9. So that's pretty cool. We've got the spa area down here, so you can come and have some spa treatments. And here, wow. It's just dead relaxing. So some of the prices here, you can go and get some massages and that kind of thing. There's like a wee brochure. These are all in our rooms. But that's nice. There's a pool area here. I'll just quickly show you that. I'm not going to go in there because there's lots of kids in there. I've got a vending machine here. We've got a vending machine here where you can buy goggles and swim trunks in case you forgot any. Somewhere to keep your children I'm not sure, that's not really what this is for. It says live animals on it. I'm not really sure what that's for or why that's here. Dry off your swimming costume a little bit, that's quite fun. So I'm not going to go in there, I've just checked and there's some people in there, but in there there's like a sauna, your changing rooms and a steam room. We went in earlier, it was super fun. I'm assuming the same stuff's in the guys. We'll just head back, this is where you put your wet towels.